Yo guys, and welcome to Anthony's Espresso Equipment. My name is Alexander, and today we have in-house none other than the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo. Brand new, just got out, and I can't wait to open this baby up for you. At the end of the video, we're also going to be telling you how you can have a chance to win one of these incredible automatic espresso machines. So, if you want to stick around, make sure you wait till the end of the video, and we'll be telling you how to enter the contest. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, we got a trusty knife here. We're gonna open this baby up, spin her around, and see what's inside. I am so excited for this. You guys don't know me that well yet, but I absolutely love coffee, and I am so happy and so fortunate that I get to be able to open and be one of the first people to actually crack one of these babies open. So, as we see on the top, we've just got all the DeLonghi branding and everything. We've got the name. So the actual model number is ECAM 29084SB. So brand new, like I said, this is the one with the milk frother as well. It's the LatteCrema style that they have for a whole bunch of their other like 3200 series, 3400 series, 4300 series, 5400 series. So an incredible device, and we're gonna crack this baby open. And yeah, next video we're also going to be trying this out, so stay tuned for that next time as well. Let's not break a brand new espresso machine. We're good. Gonna put that box to the side. Oh, that's just details. Okay, so we have right here the Magnifica Evo, this beautiful, absolutely stunning design machine. Let's open this baby up. I'm ready to see what's inside. So, as I said, the fully automatic espresso machine with the LatteCrema side of it as well. So it's got, just on the side, it's got the frothing wand. It'll automatically go into whatever whatever style coffee you're making. It's got the 7 presets like some of the other machines as well. All of the touch display and everything, we're gonna see that. The grinds you put in the top, obviously. So, very excited to actually open this up, and like I said, try it out as well. There we go. There she is. Oh, look at this. So, still got all the plastic wrap and everything on it. Nothing else in the box. So, box is done. As I said, instruction manual, your warranty and everything are gonna be in here as well. So make sure you keep this on you so that you have it, so you can register your serial number and everything properly with the warranty. So when you want to use the manufacturer warranty, you can bring it on in. We'll service it for you under warranty, of course, like we do. Open up our accessories here. This is for the LatteCrema. So your milk goes in here, your steam wand, and then you're obviously going to fill up in there, and this will clip right on. And then we have our descaler as well, which is really important. So if you are using your machine a lot, make sure you are using your descaler. And then we have, so making sure that we're doing our descaling properly, and then we have our filters. So that checks off our accessories. Wow, we are moving along here. Look at how beautiful this is. Holy. So, grinds and everything are going to come down here once it's actually finished up, like making your coffee. So, grinds are going to come out of the bottom, of course, like once you're actually finished making whatever your heart desires. I just like a simple black Americano, but you can do pretty much anything in here. Like I said, 7 easy to use buttons that are already pre-programmed. You can do all the rest of it in the actual application if you want to as well, which is the great part about this machine, is it lets you customize whatever recipes you want to do. Everything's right over here. So you got hot water over ice. I like a nice iced Americano in the summer because I get too hot. just a simple coffee, an espresso, a single, a double, a Rossetto shot, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do. So you can customize and program that. So you can add more water, you can add more coffee. There's lots of extra features here. You can tell it how strong you want the beans to be. So you can, there's a single, a double, and then a triple, but that'll be exclusive to what you're doing. And we have the cappuccino, we have the macchiato, and then you can customize your own latte. So if you like a specific latte a certain way, great. You put oat milk in here and you want like an oat over iced espresso, like it could be anything. The combinations are endless. And that's the great part about this machine is there's no restrictions. It's fantastic. Like I said, any type of milk you want to use in here, great, you can do that. So as we had it, oh, perfect. So you can either use your steam wand directly over here if you want to steam by yourself, or plug it directly in. And then this will go directly in. So you're gonna have your double spout down. So you can do 2 single shots. Say you're over with some of your friends, you can have single shots. You can just put 2 shot glasses in here, or you can do it a double and then put your glass right under. This will go right into your glass as well, so the milk will foam itself depending on which one you choose. Say doing a macchiato, so you're doing a double shot of macchiato, and then you're doing the whole milk on top, whatever you want to do. Fantastic. As I said, beans go in top, so small inlet, so if you want to just throw beans directly in there, or if you want to crack this baby open, you got a lot of beans that you're going to grind. Grind settings 1 through 7, depending on what you're doing. So I like a nice pour over style. So if I'm doing like an Americano, it would be more of like a coarse grind, but that's up to you. And then all of your grind settings and instructions are here as well. So as I said, you are pretty much good to go. But if you need to clean it, take this out directly. Your grinds will come out of here directly. Dump those out. Descaler goes right into the top as well, so that when you're making sure, water tank on the side, of course, as well. Make sure you're actually able to check your water levels right over here. And then I feel like covered all bases here. So let's make sure. Look at how beautiful this machine is. So as I said, the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo, brand new from DeLonghi, an absolutely gorgeous display on the top, your power, your different settings and everything, your presets. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. Plus it's got your descaler and your filter and everything in here. This is the optional water filter if you want to add it to. As I said, your grind settings and everything are over here. And of course you've got your actual scoop for your grind. So that is everything. And like I said, this is if you want to do a manual as well. Everything's in here, ready to go, ready for you to start your incredible coffee journey. And what better way? Even if you don't win this, you can stop by here at Anthony's Espresso Equipment and get this for just a low cost of $1,200. Where else are you gonna find an espresso machine, a fully automatic espresso machine? You hit a button and it's done. Your cappuccinos are done in the morning. Your macchiatos are done in the morning. You're paying $7.50 at Starbucks every single day, and you're telling me you can't buy one of these instead? Make it yourself. Have fun. Do it over ice. Do a hot water. Do an espresso. Do a coffee. Anything. Get the bang out of your buck that you're looking for. Get the Magnifica Evo and come shop with us at Anthony's Espresso and make sure that you get your warranty taken care of the right way. So, as I said, absolutely incredible machine. I can't wait to fire this up in the next video. I gotta make sure that I'm using it properly in the next video. So, until next time, as I said, we're gonna be giving one of these away. So, link is gonna be right below this video, in the description, in the comments, depending on where this is. And make sure you enter as many times as you possibly can. You're following us on Instagram, liking our page on Facebook, liking the post, make sure you're commenting. All of this stuff is gonna get you entries, and you're gonna get daily entries as well. So we're gonna be running this for a full month once this video comes out. And to be entered, and we will make sure that we announce the winners live on our Instagram when we draw the contest, but you'll see all those details, all the terms and conditions and everything for the contest on our page as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. And until next time, signing off, Alexander from Anthony's Espresso Equipment. And this is the Magnifica Evo from DeLonghi.